Sheree Knoble, owner of Bixie Colour in Sydney, colour educator and proud GHD creative artist. I've been lucky enough to play with the GHD thin wand for a while now, and it's opened up a whole new world of styling potential. I've been using GHD since 2001, and it's so exciting to see this explosion of innovation in the brand, not just for me, but for my clients and my team too. The GHD Thin Wand allows me to create a whole new look for my clients, which they can then recreate at home with confidence. The first thing I noticed was how easy it was to use and the styling speed of the new 14mm barrel. It's such a thin styling tool, and it honestly blew my mind that I could create a really consistent curl from root to tip in a matter of seconds. It's 38% longer than the rest of the curve range, and it can be used on all hair types. But what I love the most about it is that you don't run out of barrel before you run out of hair. I can honestly say that transforming a look has never been easier. From straight or wavy, expect tight curls in a matter of minutes. For anyone wanting to get creative or ramp up your style repertoire, the Thin Wand will not disappoint. As a colorist, it's crucial for me to protect color fadage at every step of the salon journey. As with all GHD tools, the Thin Wand guarantees that your color work will stay shiny and vibrant. This is thanks to the optimum styling temperature of 185 degrees, which remains consistent across the barrel. Such transformative results, coupled with a complete respect for integrity of hair, all come from GHD's over 20 years of experience with heat technology design. Not only does the GHD Thin Wand style at a lower and safer temperature, it also creates long-lasting results with up to 24-hour curl definition. For the girl looking for even more hold, I really recommend the Curly Ever After Spray. It's going to give you up to 48 hours curl hold. These products are perfect for the professionals that demand quality. They're also amazing for our clients that want their curls to last all day and all night without dropping. With GHD, there is no compromising on the hair health or color fade. They truly have our best interests at heart in everything that they do.